station is purple. There are many purple things here. What do you see that is colored purple? Purple station, purple station. We love the color purple. Many things are purple here. This station. I'm purple, la 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 la. There's no color like me. Purple fish, bright purple fish, swimming through the sea. Here and there, bees, purple fish, bright purple fish, flashing in the sun, shimmering and sparkling, shining all day long. Purple looks real good, painted on. I can paint so many things purple. I can paint this car purple. I can paint this fence purple. I can paint this pale purple, and now they're purple. Looks real good, painted on. I can paint so many things with purple. Up on the wind, a purple butterfly, flapping and fluttering up high in the sky, flying and flitting, turning and twisting, high in the sky, a purple butterfly. Let's make a flower with purple clay. With clay, squeeze it out, squish it once and swash it twice. Pat it here and roll it there, then twist it all around. We made a purple flower.